In this video, we will create this dynamic typography animation that you see on the screen. Here we are inside of After Effects. We click on New Composition and we'll use Test Settings. Click OK. We'll press Ctrl T for Type tool. Click here, type in your text. Ctrl A to select the whole text. Ctrl Alt Home to center the anchor point. Ctrl Home to center this to the screen. And now we'll select the layer, press R for rotation and set a keyframe on rotation here at the beginning. And I'll press Shift and page down to move by 10 frames forward, and I'll keep on pressing page down to move frame by frame to the 15th frame. I'll change this value to 35 and I'll go to 2 seconds. So I'll type in 2 periods, so it moves me to 2 seconds here, and I'll change this to 0, change the other one to -1, so we have this type of animation. And now we want to go to 10th second, so I'll type in 10 period, enter, so it moves me to 10th second, and I'll change this one to 0. We have this type of animation. We can select them all, press F9 to easy ease, and we'll go to Graph Editor, select them all, and just make an adjustment to the curves like that. Now we can duplicate this about 20 times, so Ctrl D to duplicate until we see 20 here, and we'll select every other one. So I'll press Ctrl and select every other ones. Now we can go to Effects and Presets, type in Fill, click on it, and then we can change the color to something like that, yellow. And then we can select all the layers, so I'll press Ctrl A to select all of them and press Alt and right bracket so that we trim the layers to the selected time. And while having all of them selected, we go to Animation up here, Keyframe Assistant, Sequence Layers, check Overlap, click OK. So we have them pushed forward by 1 frame each. And then we can go to 15 seconds. So I'll type in 15 period, enter, so it puts me to the 15th second. And I'll press Alt and right bracket so that we make this 15 seconds long. We can go to the 11th second, make this 11 seconds long. So type in 11 period, enter, and press N so that we make the work area this long. And we can have a look at the animation. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.